there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't end up buying something that belongs in a museum. Today, we're soaring to new heights with two drones that promise to make you the Spielberg of the skies, the Ruko U11S and the istone U11S. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a flight to remember. First up, let's talk price. The Ruko U11S is trying to convince you it's worth a whopping $283. Meanwhile, the istone U11S is practically giving itself away at $119. If Ruko is the Gucci of drones, istone is more like the dollar store knockoff. But hey, who are we to judge? Sometimes you just need something that flies without making your wallet cry. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera that can be adjusted 90 degrees. It's like having a mini Steven Spielberg in your pocket. On the other hand, the istone U11S comes with a 1080p camera, also adjustable by 90 degrees. It's great if you're filming your cat chasing a laser pointer, but don't expect National Geographic level footage. Reviewers love the Ruko U11S for its clear and stable video quality, making it perfect for capturing memorable moments. Unfortunately, the istone U11S has received mixed reviews, with some users experiencing choppy video and poor camera quality. Flight time is next. Ruko gives you 20 minutes per battery, and you get an extra one in the box, totaling 40 minutes. That's enough time to film your entire block party and still catch your neighbor doing something embarrassing. Istone, however, gives you 30 minutes with its two batteries combined. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on the clock if you're trying to film your epic backyard barbecue. Reviews highlight the Ruko U11S for its consistent and reliable flight time, whereas the istone U11S has mixed feedback, with some users losing their drones due to poor battery performance. How about ease of use? The Ruko U11S is designed for beginners, with a transmitter that's so user-friendly, even your grandma could fly it. Plus, it has one-key functions that make you feel like a drone wizard. Meanwhile, the istone U11S is also beginner-friendly, with features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. It's like the drone version of waving a magic wand. Both are easy, but reviews indicate the Ruko U11S is more reliable and stable, especially in windy conditions, while the istone U11S has issues with responsiveness and control. Portability time. The Ruko U11S folds up neatly, making it the perfect travel buddy. It's like carrying an extra phone, but this one can fly. The istone U11S, however, takes it up a notch with a design so compact it could fit in your pocket, assuming you have really big pockets or tiny aspirations. Plus, it comes with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers appreciate the compact design of the istone U11S, but caution about its durability, while the Ruko U11S is praised for its robust build and easy portability. From the reviews, it's clear that the Ruko U11S stands out for its high-quality camera, reliable flight time, and ease of use. It's well regarded by both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the istone U11S has mixed reviews, with some users enjoying its budget-friendly price and portability, but others facing issues with durability, camera quality, and control. So who wins this high-flying battle? If you want superior camera quality and longer flight time, Ruko U11S is your go-to. Just be ready to sell a kidney to afford it. But if you're on a budget and still want to impress your friends with aerial footage, the istone U11S is your guy. Either way, you're getting a drone that can turn your boring Sunday afternoons into a Spielbergian adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode. And remember, buy smart, fly smarter. See you in the skies. Product links are in the description. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why.